Hola a tots i totes i benvinguts al canal un altre cop. I us porto un nou títol, el Need for Speed Payback, però aquest Need for Speed Payback és especial perquè és de 2017. Diuen, no, el Need for Speed Heat, que és més nou, és més xulo, no sé què, no sé quantes, bla bla bla. No, a mi m'agrada més aquest perquè se'n fa especial, té una temàtica que a mi m'agrada molt. L'important tampoc són els gràfics, també és el tipus de joc, no?, que hi ha. Llavors, si li doneu bones oportunitats a aquests vídeos, doncs poder puc fer altres com Need for Speed Heat. Això és un cracket, no m'he comprat el real perquè comprar no val la pena, saps? Només el multijugador. Prefereixo el cracket. Llavors, comencem. Que havia començat sense voler. Vinga, a veure. Aquest joc ja l'he jugat, saps? Sí.
Not bad, Tyler, but you're still gonna lose.
I already won.
Jo us volia ensenyar això, saps? Tyler Morgan és aquest és el protagonista.
First to the airfield wins? You didn't say nothing about roads. I'll be waiting for you guys at the garage.
I thought this was supposed to be a friendly race.
This is us being friendly.
Last one washes Rav's cars. This is serious business.
Així, aquests dos són els
I
nostres
haven't seen Mac this excited since the Veneto job.
Aren't you?
Biggest job we've ever done? You bet I am.
Time to kick this up a notch.
Heads up!
Ara anem al tot terreny. Sean McAllister.
That was a sick jump. Bel Air, honey, let's make you fly. Yeah!
M'agrada molt el cotxe que té.
We are cleared for takeoff. Sorry for being so awesome.
Fine, I was just going easy on you.
Esta és la que va amb la pole.
You might even be ahead if you weren't such a show-off.
She's not wrong.
Mac?
You've done the impossible, Jets. You shut up Mac.
I'm shaking my head in disapproval.
Still think you're winning, Ty?
I am winning.
I don't see you in front.
The finish is where it counts.
Jessica Vettel.
Nice moves.
Don't expect that to work next time.
Always one step ahead, buddy.
Que està... pedaç de cotxe. Lina Navarro.
It's done, Morgan. You'll be driving the prize. You and your crew better pull this off.
See, what did I say? Lina Navarro is the best damn fixer in Silver Rock. Yeah. I'm liking how she sounds, Rav.
Rap Chowdhury. Aquest Ford Mustang Boss, que bonica, m'encanta.
You built this all yourself?
Given enough time and attention, an artist can turn any pile of scrap into a supercar.
Okay, guys.
Com sona.
You know what we do now.
Party?
Practice.
Let's roll.
Rav, the kick on this thing is out of this world.
Better learn to handle it if you're gonna pull off this job. The prize car has double that horsepower.
Rap's right. Let's make sure you're ready for the heist. You got time to the race, Navarro. Your part's done. We'll handle the hard stuff.
So, Ty, what are you gonna do when we make bank?
One thing at a time. I'm focusing on the job.
Been busting my ass out here for 3 years. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'm gonna fly in my dad's 65 Mustang, fix it up like new, then put together the best drift field in Fortune Valley.
Lo único que diré es que es una traición.
Jess, how about you?
Got some serious debts I'll finally get rid of. Might start my own shop with what's left.
See, Tyler? Easy.
Fine. Get the perfect ride, spec it as high as it'll go, and get myself into the ultimate race.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
How about you, Lena?
I'm getting out of this hellhole.
Where are you going?
Up.
What? Silver Rock's aces.
You didn't grow up in the barrio. Tyler and I did.
Wasn't all that. Maybe who I am.
My point exactly. Come on, Tyler. Gotta push harder.
Relax, Lena. You know I can do this. It's why you agreed to the job.
You're about to race and lift a hypercar loaded with prototype black market tech. Do not tell me to relax.
Ready to practice your jumping skills, bruv?
Yeah. Where are you?
Coming through. Oh, yeah. Not bad, bruv. Pull off that jump on the job and we'll be golden.
I hope so.
Espera, fue una cosa. Audio. Ahora, game. Subtitles. On.
Baby bird's learning to fly. I'm so proud.
Hola. Leo.
Miss me? You've got a nice stretch of road ahead. Push this thing as hard as you can. See if you can keep her under control.
Thought you'd never ask.
Every gang in town wants their hands on the prototype tech in that car.
I'm sure. But they're not getting the car till I take a peek under that hood myself.
I used up every favor and contact I have getting you into the driver's seat of this race. You cannot fail.
Guys, nothing to worry about. This crew right here, the best this city's ever seen.
Time to make us some money.
We got this, guys.
Fortune Valley, a gambler's paradise in the desert. You can buy anything here, even luck. Let the rich play with cards and dice. Those of us born in the shadow of the casinos, we take our chances at 100 miles an hour.
Toma ya.
Everyone in position? Jess?
Standing by outside the circuit.
Mac?
Mac Attack is ready to roll.
You named your truck the Mac Attack?
She named herself.
Raph? Just get the car to me and I'll take care of the rest.
Time to make us all rich, Tyler.
I got eyes on the mark.
¿Qué
Gamblers here.
coches de locos? De locos.
Look at that. It is a beautiful day for a race.
Sí, aquest cotxe va super ràpid.
I got you at 4-to-1 odds a ticket.
Val, sí. L'únic ens avisa i diu ens fot una mica, ens oscil·la una mica i ja està. No, Fórum Forget no. No vull jugar contra Forget.
Whoa, the power and torque on this thing. Raph's souped up Mustang doesn't even come close.
Tyler, you're like a brother to me, but I hate you so much right now.
They say you're the best racer in town, Morgan. Prove it. Ty, get ready. You've got to hit the rendezvous point at high speed. We've only got one shot at this. Once you hit that jump, there'll be no turning back.
Camió. Toma. Por aquí.
Mac, I'm coming up on the rendezvous. Better be in position.
I'm almost there.
Almost. Mac.
Just line her up and floor it. Trust me.
Ya va.
This is it, guys. Don't mess this up.
Mac, coming in hot.
On està el meu camionet, que vingui ara mateix.
One launch
Aquí
pad
estàs.
coming up.
I...
Houston, we have liftoff.
Jump a $2 million hypercar. Check.
Can I mention again how much I hate you?
That's our paycheck you're driving, Morgan. Get that car to Rav.
Look out for a silver Koenigsegg Regera. Vehicle is of extremely high value.
Regera, code 3.
All units in pursuit be advised. Due to the Regera's high value, you are to arrest...
Jess, got cops on my 6.
Keep moving. I'll be right there.
Whatever you're thinking of, stop. You're bringing the car back to me right now.
He mad?
Oh, he mad.
Ostras, perdí la que acabo de cagar.
All units be advised. 1 out of 13 is back in pursuit of the subject.
Vale, ya está.
Ellie, bound approaching Silver Rocky.
Jess, where are you?
Hold on!
Jess?
Vale, que tenemos nuestra compañía que
Got your
checa las
back,
polis.
big guy.
Dios.
One down, half a precinct to go.
You worried?
With you, never.
Control entering the BMW
Damn, come on! Let's try the rough approach!
Pues estaba antes,
They're gonna lock down the whole sector. Better get rid of them fast.
Got them on the hook.
Toma. Checa.
Gonna lead them away from you.
M5 is aggressive in keeping us off the Regera. It's heavily mounted to mobilize units and resist arrest.
Copy, Adam 13. All standard pursuit tactics are go for the M5.
Morgan, why haven't you got the car to Rav yet?
Still got a few cops on me. Find a way to disappear fast.
I've got an idea. Ty, Jess, come to me.
On my way.
See you there. Where are you? I'm almost there.
Me too. Mac, you got this?
Time to get you two the hell out of here.
Oh, trampa.
Yeah, we got this. Time to get the prize to Rav.
Bring it home, bro.
I'll keep the cops busy, Ty. Go! Nice driving, Morgan. Glad I took a chance on your crew.
Tyler Morgan, 23 years old, mother Sylvia Morgan, father unknown. So sad, 6 months in juvenile for reckless driving.
I'm the best racer in town in one of the fastest cars in the world. Good luck catching me.
You don't want to roll that dice with me.
¿Qué? Traición.
What the hell?
What's going on?
I'm on my way.
Rav.
The street racers are here. I saw them take that car. Thank you, officer.
What have you done?
Didn't Rev tell you what's under that hood? My buyers are paying a fortune for it.
You'll never get away with this, Navarro!
Cops are on their way. The house sends their regards.
Hey, what happened here?
Navarro. Mac, get him help. I'll draw the cops. But go!
A ver la poli. És que fa tant de temps que no jugo aquest joc i que
Ty,
sí,
what are you
només me'n
doing?
recordo d'això.
Drawing the cops away.
Come on, that's my job.
I brought Navarro on board. This is on me. Just get Mac and Rev to safety.
I've got a police scanner and Rav's GPS tracker. At least let me help you. Head towards the spillway, but you've gotta hurry. Cops are locking down the sector.
Poli malo.
That's it, you bastards! Come at me! Come at me!
Cops, straight ahead. Take a right.
Skyline. Subject setting
westbound through the barrio.
All units, take a left through the lot.
Coche no me agrada.
Subject is traveling westbound through the barrio.
De aspecto.
You're halfway there, Ty. Don't give up.
Never.
Launch more roadblocks. Hard right, then a left at the next corner.
Now heading southbound on Carson Street.
Copy that, southbound on Carson Street.
Keep going towards the spillway.
Where are you, bro?
Doesn't matter. Is Rav okay?
I'm not sure, Ty.
He'll make it.
Of course he will. He has to.
Now heading eastbound, approaching Silver Rock West.
Almost there.
Subject is eastbound, approaching Silver Rock West.
Control the red GTR and jump down on the spillway. We've lost sight of him.
Copy Adam 13.
Cops are off my back. Your plan worked, Jess.
You're doing good, Ty, but now's not the time to relax. The cops have massive backup incoming. They're putting the entire city on lockdown.
Jess, I got unmarked cars on me.
What? Where do they come from?
They're boxing me in.
Get out of there, Tyler!
Where's the car?
Lena Navarro. She played us both and took it for the house.
Did she? You're useless to me. Enjoy prison. Although, you'll want revenge. So will I. Yeah, this'll work. You'll be the ace, but I'm the one who holds the cards.
What are you talking about?
Hear that? Cops are almost here. Go to jail or work for me. Eat, sleep, drive when I say. And when the time is right, you get what you want.
Do I have a choice?
There's always a choice. Get in.
Say you pull up next to a real sweet ride. What do you think? How much does it cost? How fast can it hit 100? I tell you what I think. I see potential. I see the knife's edge of control. That split second where I put everything on the line. I see myself winning it all.
Morgan! The boss would like his car now.
Yeah. I'll be right there. Let's have a little fun.
The boss is meeting some big player from the house today. They're taking over the city block by block. Boss's car better be there when it's over.
You kidding? I got some speed trap times I've been itching to post. It's not every day I get to take Weir's DB11 for a spin.
That's what the boss gets for hiring racers.
I don't race anymore, remember? That's the deal. No more racing or my ass goes straight to jail.
Oh, too bad. The house pays big money for dudes to throw races these days. You don't even need to compete anymore.
Well, what's the point if they tell you who wins and who loses?
Money, bro! They pay real nice.
Let's see how fast this baby can go.
Vale, esos ítems. Tienes que acabar este...
Bro, what are you doing? You wanna get fired?
Maybe I do. Damn, that feels good.
What do you say? I could give you this guy's number.
Not interested. Time to kick it up a notch.
està. No està una miqueta. Va, això sí que... Va, això és el que tria el
The boss doesn't pay you to just mess around, man. Guess you really don't want this job, huh?
No s'ha vist. God damn it.
What was that, dude? That did not sound good.
This is gonna need some body work.
Is that how you treat your friends, Tyler? Huh? Well, no wonder your crew deserted you, huh?
That's not how it went down.
Yeah, I bet they can't wait to hear from you, huh? Your perfect heights fell apart and your whole crew became the most wanted little gang in all of Fortune Valley. Miller's had to sell out driving petty criminals to make ends meet. I even heard a little rumor that McAllister's driving for the house these days. And your mechanic? Ah, poor old Rav. You think they'll ever take your calls again? Tyler, come on, listen to me. I'm the only friend you got right now. You will get your revenge on Navarro, and I will get my car back. But you have to be patient, understand? The pieces are just about to fall into place. Okay, I'll take that as a yes. Now get back here before I fire your ass.
No s'ha vist. No ha passat res.
Navarro. The hell?
Clock's ticking where? You sell the casino or we'll take it from you.
Great chat.
Enjoyed the ride, Tyler? Look, now's not the time, kid. I say when the cards get played.
It's been 6 months.
Get out. If you so much as dinged my car, I'm knocking you down to garbage truck duty.
Con la posibilidad será Aventador, Punicate, Troncha. Oh! Oh! Oh, quina passada.
Okay, Ty. Time to go home.
Oh, que bonic! Ostres, m'agrada molt.
Just a quick drive home, then I can finally get out of this monkey suit. Tyler.
Hey, bad news, bro. Boss is docking your paint. He found a scratch on the F-Type you drove yesterday.
What? I did not dent that Jag.
Hey, I don't make the rules.
Look, man, you gotta help me out. I'm 2 months late on rent.
Hey, you think I made of money? Did you see a Porsche badge on my ass? You're crap, bro. Deal with it.
Godspeed, racers. This is your curator, and you're listening to the voice of the streets, streaming at you from the wilds of Fortune Valley. The streets are calling. They're full of tired, run-down commuters right now, but you're not part of the rat race, are you? You're racers. Who among you can tame this city? Who among you can handle the rush? Do you have what it takes? 'Tis the season of speed. The Outlaws Rush is coming to Fortune Valley. Only the best of the best can run it. Only the best of the best will win it. Could it be you?
The Outlaws Rush? Yeah, as if. I can't keep going like this. I should be out there taking on Navarro. I'm wasting my time with the gambler. It's Ty. How about those street races? Give me the number.
O sigui que anem a fer carreres, o sigui que abandonem el Marcos Güell.
So, I hear we got a wannabe contender to race for the house, huh?
Yeah, just give me a time and a place.
Whoa, slow down. You think the house hires just anybody? You'll have to prove yourself first. Show me what you got in some races around town, and you'll get your shot.
Ja l'he obert. Anem avançant cap a la carrera aquesta. Espero que sigui som nivell 158 i recomendat a 250. Però crec que estarà fàcil, veus? Hola, toma. I aquest cotxe qui me l'ha donat, o sigui? A veure, aquí l'he encarregat ben grossa. Anem cap endavant. Vale, aquí tenim. Toma. No sé, Marco
Okay,
Wayne.
big shot. Time for your first test. Win and you'll move
No s'ha
on.
enterat, Marcos Wayne no s'ha enterat.
Let's do this.
Off for lunch?
Chucho? Ai, mira, per les virtuts avui n'he entrat un xucho.
Racking up the wins.
¿Tenemos alguna cosa?
Okay, not bad. Maybe the house can use someone like you. The better the racer, the more convincing it is when you take the fall.
You know I'm good enough for the house.
Maybe, maybe not. You had one good race. Might have been a fluke. I've got you signed up for one more race with some serious contenders. Do well there, and it'll mean something.
Consider it done.
Sí, serious competitors, yes. Ya te digo, cuando los machaqui, aquest home es callarà. Perquè no sap qui som. No sé, és que anem molt lents, no? Només 100 milles per hora, no sé. No, és que no me'n recordo ara que teníem de temps. Ja tenia temps. Vinga, comencem.
This is it. Win here and you'll get your chance to race for the boss.
Go time!
Són els mateixos d'abans? Ah, no sé. A veure, què me'n diuen? Terrape flipant. Aquí... Aquí corre, no pensis. Però no sé, però vaig més ràpid. Clar que no sembla vaig més ràpid. Per la gasolinera, vamos! Toma! Que m'alegra. No tenia cap porteu. Volta 2 de 3. 3 voltes. Llavors no és gaire llarg, la pana. Una mica més llarg que l'altra, però no és gaire llarg. Aquí això... És que estan superior, no, els altres? O sigui, és que no vaig. O sigui, estan en... Mare. Toma, torta! Toma! Dale. Soy Nitro.
See, y'all never had a chance.
Venga, última volta. De gasolina un altre cop, a veure si podem anar sense fer-nos cap cop. Oh! Em fent una toma de rape.
What did I tell you? I win again.
Ha! Fine, you proved you can drive. We're setting you up with a new ride so you look the part. Navarro is building a new order on the streets, and if you do well with us, you can be part of it. But the house is a business. Don't you forget it.
I sure won't.
Good. Welcome to the house.
6 mesos i encara sabem conduir. Tyler Morgan, com es diu? Encara se'n recorda de conduir. Jo sincerament, si estigués 6 mesos sense conduir, no és que me'n recordés gaire. Anem aquí. A veure, observem el cotxe. Oh, que bonic!
Enjoy the new ride, Morgan. Make sure you get a feel for it before you put it to work. The big race is gonna go down in Boomville. I'll tell you more when you get there.
Ostras.
All right, I got this. Navarro, I'm coming for you.
Són del mateix nivell. Aquest va més ràpid, Mira com pugen les vies. Per on voy?
Godspeed, racers. This is your curator, reminding you to go out and explore. Why dash right away to your next race? Take a drive around Silver Rock. Post a score on an activity or 3. There's plenty to do out there to keep you busy and build your rep.
¿Ya? ¿Cómo? ¿No? No puede ser que se me olvide. ¿No? ¿Ya? Revenges. Es venganza.
Hope you enjoyed being on top, Lena. Your race rigging business ends tonight.
House Racers, the fix is in. Tonight's winner will be King Snake. Let him lead after the halfway point.
Feels good to be back. Time to crush Navarro.
Wonder which one of you's King Snake. Oh well, guess I'll have to beat all of you.
Hey, you thought I wasn't watching you? I know what you're doing, and it is not our deal. I say when the cards come down, remember?
I got tired of waiting. I'm taking care of business.
Es que me encanta el coche eso.
Halfway point's coming up, Sidewinder. Time to let King Snake pass you.
No deal, Navarro.
Who is this?
Who is this? This the man that you...
Down. Back in it.
Pero...
You know what? Fine. Take this win and enjoy it. But get the hell out after. You're my ace in the hole.
That's the plan.
I don't know who you are, Sidewinder, but you're gonna regret this.
Your rigged races are done, Navarro.
Tyler Morgan?
Vaya.
What is it, Weir?
Okay, enjoy the win, but remember, I need you alive.
Pumba.
Gig's up, Lena.
Your little stunt cost a lot of people a lot of money, Tyler. You just messed with the house. We run this city, streets included. Every race, every midnight run, every off-road rally. And the house always wins.
Claro.
Well, not tonight, it didn't.
Miss Navarro, we can't do this here.
I'll see you around.
Make sure he never gets home.
Bring Morgan to me. Do not let him get away. Understood?
Consider it done.
Oh, you magnificent idiot. The house is throwing a fit because of you.
Good.
No, not good. Bad. I need you alive for the next part. Ditch the enforcers, then meet me.
Take that!
Oh, Tyler, you could have been somebody. And now that you've crossed me...
You crossed us, Navarro. I'm just getting started.
The city's best racer, yet so naive. There's a reason you were the perfect mark.
Morgan, stop!
You have nowhere to run. We own this city now. The stakes are too high to leave anything to chance anymore.
Racing's never about chance. That's why you have to rig it.
You got it.
And you're down.
What's taking so long?
This guy's got some moves, but we'll get him.
You better. You're the one who brought him in.
That all you got?
What the hell are you doing? I've got places to be.
Sorry, I'm busy dodging a bunch of pissed off thugs.
Don't apologize. Get rid of them.
There, I lost him.
Good. I'm sending you my location.
Almost there.
Yeah, about time. We've got a lot to do.
I took care of it. No bookie's gonna trust Navarro after tonight.
Is that what you think? Ha ha! You're adorable! Her boss owns them all, Tyler. She doesn't need their trust.
I'll find a way.
Yeah, there is a way. Me.
Imagine a city where risk is an illusion and every bet is rigged. That's what the house wants, and they'll stop at nothing until they get it.
I'm a street racer. This has nothing to do with me.
What? No. This has everything to do with you. Everything. Their leader is called the Collector, and he's got one addiction. Cars. You ever heard of the Outlaws Rush?
Biggest street race in the country.
Yeah, it is, and the house is gonna rig it. High rollers putting millions on their man, and he takes a cut from it all. Tonight was just a test run, and your little stunt gave me an idea.
Oh?
Look, I've seen you drive. You're the best racer this city has. All we have to do is get you in. Win the Outlaws Rush, and the house and Navarro come crashing down.
Bring down the house?
Yeah.
Not my fight. Save your casino yourself.
These are your streets, right? Then this is your fight. What do you think they'll come for next?
Come on, Tyler. Time to go home and think this over.
Morgan, you bastard! They know I gave you the number. I vouched for you. Guys like you and me, we're just speed bumps to them, man. They chased half the street gangs out of town because they want to play ball. You think they're gonna be scared of you?
They should be.
Claro que sí. Tendrían que estar asustados.
You led me to expect great things at your race tonight, Navarro. Instead, you disappointed a lot of people. Mind explaining this?
It's already taken care of.
We're...
Let's do this.
Good. Good. You're gonna need a crew.
Claro que sí.
5-star ride, mate. See ya.
Hola.
Focus, Mac. Gotta get through this. Find your smile. Hey! Hush, puppy. Big fan of your channel.
It's Tiger.
Yeah.
Tiger selfie.
No,
Here we go.
No, mate.
Roar!
Selfie.
Come on, big roar. Roar!
Raw.
Epic.
Get in the car.
¿Cómo? Wea, pedazo de coche. Sí, por tema que pedazo de coche.
What the hell? What kind of music is this?
Tiger here live from the Hashmobile with the Driftmeister Mac McAllister. Give us the 411 on drifting, Mac.
Right. It's simple, really. Just get to a high speed, then steer hard. Here, check it out. Yeah, baby. Nailed it. And there you have it.
Go again, but like, really go hard.
Look, I don't wanna...
Customer's always right.
Fine. You know what? We'll go to my favorite drift run.
Claro que sí, home. La teva preferida.
Great job on the setup, by the way. Lighting up those tires is a piece of cake.
Setup?
Let me guess. This car was already set up for drifting when you bought it.
Duh. Where'd you learn to drive like that anyway?
London. I ran with a crew from Hackney that boosted cars when I was young and stupid. I learned to drift corners for speed and got damn good at it.
That's straight up OG, fam.
Please don't say that.
Is that why you came to America? To escape your criminal past?
What? Nah, man, it's not like that. This is the land of SUVs, muscle cars, and open roads, mate. Perfect place for a fresh start.
Sounds like you made it. I'm about to make you insta-famous.
Yup. Some of us have all the luck.
Any advanced drifting tips for the Tiger Cubs listening? Do you have, like, a drift button or something?
Yep. That's it. Just press. There. Real music. This might get a little intense, Tiger. You better not get sick.
Are you kidding? I play lots of racing games. This isn't as awesome as I thought it would be.
I'm just getting started, right?
Can't wait to upload this puppy. Can we stop? I'm not feeling well.
Can't hold it together?
I'll try. This was a bad idea.
You said go hard. Customer's always right, remember? Playtime's over.
Stop the car. Stop the car!
Whoa, 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 whoa! So, hush puppy. Hard enough for you?
Tyler, is that you, bro?
Hey, Mac, Captain. It's been a while.
It's been a rough 6 months without the old crew.
You're telling me. Mac, I have a job in mind.
You off the leash? You know I'm always down.
Just like that. You're bored, aren't you?
So bored, mate. Is Jess on it too?
I'm working on it.
Hey, Mac. Did you get a shot of me puking?
Work faster.
Pizza. Ah, no, Plaza Punt. Casino. Interessant, interessant.
Easy. Easy. Okay, boat's open. I'm in. Jimmy, cover me and watch for guards. Look at this hall.
You guys are late. I hate waiting.
What? Lady, we're in the middle of a robbery here. Ah! Jimmy!
Damn it, we gotta get out of here.
Just so we're clear, you're paying for 2 extractions, no matter who makes it out alive. Damn it! Okay, I know a guy. Hold on!
We're not gonna make it!
Oh, come on, this is just a bit of fun.
All patrols be advised. Possible robbery at the casino district. Sending units to investigate.
Aquest vídeo potser sona més dura.
Miller!
You're doing this now?
Jess, it's Tyler. You got a minute?
Tyler? Hey! Stay on the tarp. If you bleed on the seat, I swear to God. Hey, Ty, really not a great time. Sorry.
Jess, wait. I got a plan.
6 months later, and the first time I hear from you, you need something from me?
Jess,
Tyler, seriously, I'm a bit busy right now.
Confirmed robbery in casino district. Vehicle is a black Audi. 1 subject with possible GSW. Last seen heading north on Coolidge Street.
Adam 35, confirm control, on the lookout.
God damn it, Tyler. I told you this isn't a good time.
Yeah, what the hell, Tyler?
Let me talk to her. Hey, Jess.
Mac? Ty must be really desperate if he's pulling you in.
Nah, you know me. Just in it for the giggles.
Is this where you pitch me Tyler's plan?
No way. Wouldn't do it if I were you. He wants to take on Lena.
Lena? She's with the house now. Jesus Christ, you two. No way. I'm out.
How far?
Cut the waterworks. We're almost there.
Damn, you're already? You really are an escape artist.
It's what you paid me for. Tell the guy Jess sent you. He'll patch you up.
Vale, ahora sí que nos persegues, loco.
Repeat. Suspects last seen in black Audi. Radio in with location.
Adam 35, we have a possible match on North Carson Street.
Copy that. Sending additional units.
Oh, vale, ahora sí. Que porten unitats cap a mi, però no veig a ningú.
Put Mac on.
Look, Jess, this plan is foolproof. All we need is your...
Ty, Lena and the house. Put Mac on.
Can't help yourself, can ya? You're interested.
The plan. How insane is it?
Oh, man, it's mad. Cop chases, stunts, crazy heists. Nothing up your alley.
Lena alone screwed us 6 months ago. Now you want to take her on with the house? Look what happened to Rav.
It'll be different this time. For the three of us, we could do it.
The old crew back together, huh?
Come back, Jess. Let's do this.
Tell him I'll think about it.
Suspect's car last seen heading northbound to Liberty Desert.
1 Adam 13 en route.
Sí. Vale.
Adam 13 to control, I located the black Audi. Show me in pursuit, requesting backup.
Copy that. Sending additional units your way.
I built this ride just for you boys. Let's dance.
Ja, dic, anem a ballar.
Out of 13, please provide a location update.
Now heading westbound through Boonville.
Copy.
Subject taking out traffic.
Adéu-siau.
Subject now southbound on I-34, Amber Valley Parkway.
Copy that, Adam 13.
Woody?
We're too far behind control. We're gonna try to catch up ahead. Subject now southbound.
That's how you want.
Toma.
I'm gonna play this.
Y una tañada, a ver.
Subject no pursuit.
Cap aquí. Espera. Ja no tenim poli darrere, veritat? No, vale, ja està. Ah, o sigui, aquest és el nostre apartament. Perquè, o sigui, cadascú veix en un apartament diferent, no? Com penso.
Jess, hey.
So, about this stupid plan of yours.
It's not... Yeah?
Let's meet. Where are you?
Vamos. Així m'agrada. Segon dia.
This is the dumbest plan I ever heard. I left the game because of crap like this.
The best crew in town always gets a racer in the rush. So all we have to do is beat all the Silver Rock street leagues and I'm in. Mac will handle the off-road and drift. I'll do the rest.
What about the house? They control every dirty deal in town.
Well, that's where you come in. They'll have a bulletproof setup. Talk to your underworld contacts, figure out what it is, then we take it out.
So, win the race, watch the house burn while we count our piles of cash.
Simple.
Pues sí.
Fame, fortune. Leah Navarro getting what she deserves. You idiots are gonna get yourselves killed without me. Guess I'm in.
Yes!
Vamos.
Raph? You know we can't pull this off without our master engineer.
This is Britain.
You're so full of it. If you're that desperate, I'm in as well, and you can use my garage, but there are a few conditions. First,
Woo! The crew's back together, baby.
Serenity, no. Either of you fools even have a car?
Oh, I
staked
sort
it
of
on
lost
that bet.
mine. It's
It was a
a
sure
long
thing.
story.
Seriously?
There are cars in the back. Clients who never paid.
I'm surrounded by...
Por rap.
good old 87 Buick GNX. Now there's a badass car. This one can still put a 6-second 0 to 60 after 30 years.
Ostras. Ostras.
The Mark 1 Golf GTI, the car that launched the hot hatch trend, is still an ass kicker to this day. The S2000 Honda's homage to the...
Pero un... Es que... M'agrada massa. Es que m'encanta el Weekend RX. Sí, sí, més que el S2000.
Nothing compared to my rides, but it'll do.
I thought all you did was tune them up.
All right, you just earned yourself an ass kicking.
¿Qué piensas
How'd
que
you like that 0 to
encuentras?
60?
Not bad. Let's see if it's enough to keep you in the lead.
Come on, Tyler, race me. This ain't valet parking. 6 months, Tyler. What were you doing out there?
That was the deal. Work for the gambler or go to jail.
What's changed now?
He had plans for me, but I convinced him mine were better. So here we are.
Tyler, you know I'm done with that life. We had a good run, but I'm a mechanic. I've got a good thing going out here.
She double-crossed us, Rat. You don't want to see her stopped?
Man, I'd still give anything to see what's under the hood of that Koenigsegg. But I'm done
Mira
being
que es
angry.
lento, eh.
I found my peace.
Well, I'm happy for you, I guess.
Ay, no, que muevanse. Ay, no,
You're not
que
holding back,
muevanse.
are you? Please don't hold back.
Oh, I won't. You realize this won't end with Navarro,
Toma
right?
ya.
You know who she works for, what she represents. No one has ever gone up against the house and won, you know that.
First time for everything.
Sí, una mañana, eh. Lo machaca.
Guess it's back to the garage with you.
Toma, Navarre. Toma. No queda grande,
Skill always
sí, eh.
wins over raw power.
7.000. Oh, bueno.
Hey, Mac.
Ella servía per millorar, no?
Raph didn't have what I needed. We're off to the dealership to find me some off-road wheels.
Word.
Oh, yeah.
You good for this? I can lend you some money.
Nah, sis, I'm good. I pulled out my savings.
I know. I know. I
Which one are you going for, Mac?
Es que es molt obvi. Es que és molt obvi. És que és molt obvi. És que és molt obvi, tio. No sé.
Looks like I can walk faster than that thing.
Sí.
It's okay, baby. She didn't mean it. Now, I have to kick your ass. Race you to the airfield?
Sí, es que penso que una empresa,
You take the streets, I'll take off-road. See you slow then.
Why are you really doing this, Mac?
What do you mean? We get a mega payoff and get to kick Navarro's ass. What's not to like?
I know you, Mac. It's not that simple. Ty's on a personal crusade, but that's not you.
Straight talk, Jess. After we split, I had nothing. Doing odd jobs for cash. And sometimes, that meant the house.
You took a gamble and lost. You did what you had to do.
Coming to America's been one big wager. Besides, it's not gambling if you know you're gonna win. You got your own thing, Jess. You don't need us. Why are you in?
Someone's gotta watch out for Ty. Taking on the street leads to get into an impossible race? He's angry and fixated on Navarro, and he's going to need us.
So you think we got a chance?
After it all went down, we didn't hear from him for 6 months. If he's back, he believes he can win. And I'm not letting a brother go to war alone.
Ah, I knew it. You missed us.
Look, Mac, I'll support you guys as long as you're not idiots. I'm in it for you two, not the thrill.
I know you, Jess. You won't be able to help yourself.
Ya está.
Oh, yeah.
Chupao. ¿Qué fem? Fem pito, pito, vinga. Pito, pito, colgó, pito, ¿dónde vas? No, que es bueno, que es bueno. Quadra. Només el puc enviar. Agaratge. Què?
I'll admit, I didn't think you could pull it off.
Ha! You don't win anything by playing safe.
Point taken, but I'll stick to the roads, thank you very much.
Hey, Rav, what's up?
Nice ride you got there, Mac. Why don't you bring her around to the garage?
Be right there.
Espera, ¿qué nivel son? 39. Derrape. ¡Guacha!
I've cleared up this space for you three. Feel free to leave your cars here, tune them up, paint them, work on your style. Why don't you try a bit of upgrading first? See if you can get some extra performance out of those cars. I have a few parts lying around the shop. Just put everything back where you found it. Understood?
Vull posar-li aquí. Perquè això té unes coses molt guants i pirulis, val? Vull fer com un estil del BMW que aquests van donar abans. Que no sé si... No n'hi ha. Oh. Vale. Oh, quina passada. M'encanta, l'hem copiat en altre costat, no sé. Vale, sí, ja. Què li posem? Com així... Com es canvia? Amb C també. I aquests colors són totalment random. O així li queda. Vale. Mira, ja han... Vale. Visual Custom.
This is where the magic happens. The more you do out there, the more you can get in here to make your ride sing. Style is expression. What do you want to say with your car?
Ara, però no puc tunejar baixes, Que por. Aquí que poc... Què? No, ho deixo així. Aquí... Aquest ha deixo com està. No, espera. Sí. Cuida. Espera un moment. Què és això? Ai, mira, també li queda bé, Vale. Ens posem aquest. És que m'agrada molt. Així. I com sortim? Vanity items. Performance. Exit garage, vale.
What do you got, Rav? I know of 2 leagues worth your time out here in the desert. First one is a racing league called the Graveyard Shift, led by La Katrina. Bunch of kids with a death wish and a taste for the dramatic. Mac, second league's for you. League 73, an off-road crew led by some bastard named Udo. Lately, they've taken to racing around the airfield and smashing up my prototypes.
M'agrada. Anem a per the off-road.
Okay, Mac. First we take on some league races, then we challenge the bosses one-on-one.
Should start earning us the rep we need to enter the Outlaws Rush.
Espera, mira. Fer així. Saps? Mira, i això? Vale, això és per millorar. No? I em puc teletransportar. Que guai.
Time to check out League 73 and challenge them to a race.
Miles outside the city, it's just sky as far as the eye can see. League 73. Freedom happens at 100 miles an hour and 10 feet in the air.
No sé. ¡Oh! ¡Estamos igualitos!
What do we have here? Fresh meat.
You're Udo Roth? Name's Mac.
I know who you are. You're Hash Tiger's drifting buddy. You here to take a tiger selfie, Mac?
Screw that. I'm an off-road racer, same as you. No, better.
Prove it. Beat my racers, then we talk.
Claro.
How about we make a little extra money on the side? I'll tell you the bet I have in mind, and if you like the odds, we'll lock it in. Win?
No m'agrada.
Fresh meat is on the lunch menu, boys and girls.
Ooh, careful now. I bite back.
El tic.
Let's go.
Mira, que no està en la carrera. Vaya ataque. Sí, nitro. De aquí. Sí. Vale. Estic bastant separats, Bastant més separats. Piau. Nitro un altre cop. Així.
Damn it, Mac! I have enough trouble keeping these kids off the airfield as it is. Don't encourage them.
I gotta do this right.
Que aquests anem per...
Not goddamn sorry.
Per el nostre garatge allà. Per el nostre territori fent-ho
Kick their ass me, alright?
Llavors sí. Li fots una patana al cul.
Doing great, Mac Attack. Gotta give it all I got.
Així, de ràpid. Molt de ràpid.
Huh, not terrible.
Ja. Vale. Oh, 150. Bueno.
Tolerable job, fresh meat. We might make an off-road racer out of you after all.
That's where you're wrong, bruv. I was born for this.
Say, I recognize you. You're with Crazy Rad's crew.
The only crazy thing about him is what he can do with an engine.
Did he feed you that line? Come by the solar array sometime. Prove to me that win wasn't a fluke.
Doncs t'ensenyaré que no ha sigut potre. T'ho ensenyaré. Ja veuràs. Només vull millorar-me el cotxe.
Welcome to the tune-up shop. Here you can buy new speed cards or trade in part tokens for a chance at that perfect upgrade.
Tararara. Vale, ya está. Anem aquí. Aquí té una directa, saps? O això és un desert, però desert. Tinc el cotxe. No, que està complet de camins sonors. Hola, hola! Sí que n'hi ha. Vale. Miau.
Godspeed, racers. This is your curator. The street's whisper of opportunity and danger. 2 nights ago, an unknown racer took first place in the Boomville race. Rumor has it that's not the outcome some people wanted. And a local racer codenamed King Snake ended the night race into the hospital in an ambulance. To the winner, the streets say to you, ride free, ride proud, and check your blind spots.
Damn! These guys don't mess around.
El trailer s'ha fet perfecte. Ho podem fer. Vinga. Ho fem.
League 73, listen up. Udo here. No more playing nice. Kick his damn ass.
Yeah, come on, guys. Stop going easy on me.
Hi ha molta people, aquí. Aquí costarà, Bell, Mickey Van. Pasa ya. Casi queda ya la mitad del temps.
Man, how am I this awesome?
Ya tengo como siempre noche. Vale, ha pasado la mitad del temps, Uy. 12, 11, 10, 9. Uy, toma! 4, 3, 2, 1 i ja està completat. Ara tenim que guanyar la mano. crec que ho fem. Depèn dels altres. Aviam, que sempre és la via del... Acabem de passar per la via del...
Do this. Finish strong.
Perfecto. Ya. Ya queda poco. Punto de rap aquí. Que te cagas y pa.
So, Selfie Boy, seems you're not all Flash.
2 minuts. El doble. Vale. Espera. El que ens toca, please, please, please. Vale. Només són 4 carreres. Jope.
The gang is starting to cheer you on. It's getting on my nerves.
Ah, sorry for being so awesome.
As if the house leaning on us to fix races wasn't enough of a headache.
I feel...
Venga. Cap aquí. I ens millora una
They
mica el
give
cotxe.
everyone a hard time.
Llavors, en teoria, jo puc repetir les carreres, no? Sí, mira. Llavors ara faig així. No. Ah, però ara no em parla. Vale. M'agrada. Fiam!
Buckle up.
Ara vaig molt més ràpid que ells, en teoria. No et pensis. Que em toca el cul.
No!
Tranquil.
Get back here! I am crushing it!
What? No està en fotos.
I can't let up now. Who's the best? I'm the best.
Michi. Oh. Sí, me gusta. Anem aquí. Aquí. I la veiem. Va. I ens falta Gearbox. Així. Gearbox. Hi ha alguna millor? Aquesta és mia. Vale, molt bonic. Llavors anem aquí. Pasta tinc.
Mac, you in the mood for a Roman racer? Don't mind if I do.
Aquests que van bé. Vale.
No more playing nice. Bury this loser in the dirt.
Yap, yap, yap. You keep talking, but I keep winning. Hope you're ready for this. I'll be taking that. How you like my dust? Don't let up. Almost there.
Y ya está.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Mac wins again.
Deixarem l'última missió per aquesta
People
banda.
might start thinking you're a legit off-road racer. Time I put that ridiculous notion to rest.
Does that mean I'll have the pleasure of kicking your ass, Udo?
Tell you what, beat me and I'll tell you where you can find a derelict.
Name the time and place.
Va. Doncs, per avui el vídeo. Espero que us hagi agradat i que li doneu bones opcions i que podem seguir fent aquesta sèrie.